Hello everyone, I'm Sneha and welcome to my YouTube channel Sneha the Scribbles. Today I'm here with another video review, this time with a book Last Love, Late Love by Namrata Gupta. So this book is a love triangle of Kasika, Vivan and Vidit. Kasika and Vivan is a girlfriend boyfriend and in constant relationship since few years. And they were going steady, but soon the Vivan turned out to be a possessive boyfriend who is control freak and try to control life and life going of Kasika. And Kasika, who was working in a firm, started feeling suffocation and all that thing. And soon their relationship turned out to be worst when Vivan started beating her, and her patience is finally lost, and she broke up with him. Then she met Vidit, who is engaged with a woman to be married, and but despite of that, both of them fall in love, and they feel like they are soulmates for each other. Vidit not only supported her, gave her strength, mental strength, but also helped her overcome the grief which Vivan had imposed on her. But Vivan came back again to with Kasika's life, and Kasika was in two minds whether to do a clean breakup or whether Vivan is really a changed man, which he boasts of that I am a changed man and all that thing. Meanwhile, Vidit was not able to broke his engagement and he go ahead with his wedding. How it impacted Kasika and how her life turned out to be, you have to read this story to know more about the book. But the end is really life changing, or we can say that end is quite devastating, and it will left you in tears and left you wondering that what was the fault of Kasika, whether she had chosen wrong guy continuously for her love, and whether it's her fault that she trusted whom she couldn't she should not have. So the language is really flawless, and the narration is medium pace. The story moves at a great pace, and it keep you occupied. The poems are written beautifully by Kasika, and with it, the connection which we can read between the Vidit and Kasika is really heart touching, and it really feels bad that when things do not work for them. I don't know what the author tries to give, which message the author tries to give with this novel, because one time we felt like that maybe the author is going to say this, convey this, but we turn out to be wrong at end. So I don't know, but I really loved reading this book. This is a quick read, you can read it in one sitting, and please do read this book and share your views with us. If you have liked my video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.